Today I am reviewing the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 2025 44mm Bluetooth smartwatch. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you've been waiting for Samsung to take their smartwatch game to the next level, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 2025 is the upgrade you've been hoping for. This new release represents Samsung's most refined and intelligent wearable yet, combining sleek design, next-level health tracking, improved battery life, and the power of Galaxy AI to make everyday life smarter and smoother. Let's start with the design, because the first thing you'll notice about the Galaxy Watch 8 is how incredibly sleek and lightweight it feels. Samsung has gone for what they call a cushion design, giving it a more modern, minimalist aesthetic while keeping it extremely comfortable for all-day wear. The frame is thinner than ever, and it sits snugly on the wrist, which means you can wear it to the gym, office, or even asleep without feeling any bulk. The 44mm size strikes a perfect balance, large enough for easy readability, yet not oversized or heavy. The silver finish adds a touch of elegance, and as always, the build quality feels premium and durable. Now, when it comes to display and interface, Samsung has made major improvements. The Galaxy Watch 8 features an updated user interface that makes navigation smoother, clearer, and more intuitive. It's brighter, faster, and easier to read even outdoors. Notifications, messages, weather, and fitness stats are now displayed more cleanly. Everything you need is visible at a glance. And thanks to tighter software optimization, transitions feel fluid, making the overall experience faster and more refined than before. But what really makes the Galaxy Watch 8 stand out this year is how smart it's become, quite literally, with the help of Galaxy AI. This watch now acts as a personal assistant on your wrist, capable of managing your day, reminding you of tasks, and offering intelligent suggestions throughout your routine. You can get quick updates like sports scores, breaking news, or weather alerts, and even control your connected devices hands-free. It's designed to make your day run smoother, from the moment you wake up to the moment you go to bed. Speaking of sleep, Samsung has clearly invested serious effort into making this one of the most advanced sleep tracking systems on any smartwatch. With advanced sleep coaching, the Galaxy Watch 8 helps you not only monitor your sleep, but also understand it. It analyzes your sleep cycles, rest quality, and even environmental factors, then offers actionable advice to help you rest better. The bedtime guidance feature goes a step further, helping you find your optimal bedtime and encouraging consistency in your sleep routine. For anyone trying to improve their energy levels or combat fatigue, this feature is incredibly useful. And that brings us to one of the watch's most interesting innovations, the energy score. Using Galaxy AI, your energy score provides a single, easy-to-read number that summarizes your overall health and readiness for the day. It's based on data from your sleep, activity levels, and heart rate, giving you insight into how your body's performing and whether you need rest or can push a little harder. It's like having a personal health coach that interprets your data for you. A huge improvement for anyone who wants to take a more informed approach to fitness and recovery. Of course, the Galaxy Watch 8 continues Samsung's strong legacy in fitness and health tracking. The built-in running coach is smarter than ever. It provides real-time performance feedback and even has specialized training programs for different goals, whether you're prepping for a 5K, half marathon, or full marathon. It adjusts dynamically to your pace, helping you improve safely and efficiently. Combined with heart rate tracking, GPS accuracy, and workout recognition, this watch is a serious training partner for athletes and casual fitness users alike. Another major addition this year is vascular load tracking. This feature goes beyond just counting steps or calories. It gives you insights into your stress levels, showing how your diet, sleep, and lifestyle choices may be affecting your cardiovascular health. It's a powerful way to stay aware of your body's stress responses and take action before they impact your wellness. And yes, Samsung hasn't forgotten about performance. Despite being thinner and lighter, the Galaxy Watch 8's battery life is noticeably improved. You can easily get through a full day or more of active use, including workout tracking, heart rate monitoring, and notifications, without needing a recharge. The charging process itself is faster and more efficient too, which means less downtime. Overall, this is a smartwatch that feels smarter in every sense of the word. It's not just about counting steps or checking your heart rate. It's about truly understanding your body and lifestyle and helping you optimize both. From fitness coaching and sleep tracking to energy insights and AI-powered assistance, the Galaxy Watch 8 brings everything together in a seamless, beautifully designed package. And with Samsung offering a 2-year warranty on the US version, you also get peace of mind that your investment is protected. To sum it up, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 2025 is more than an incremental upgrade. It's a thoughtful evolution that blends intelligence, comfort, and style. It's designed for those who want more than just a smartwatch. They want a smart partner for health, productivity and everyday living. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a professional trying to balance wellness with a busy schedule, or simply someone who wants to stay connected effortlessly, the Galaxy Watch 8 delivers an experience that feels both futuristic and familiar. It's lightweight, intuitive, and packed with meaningful innovation, making it one of the best smartwatches of 2025.